Ukraine's drone army is working hard to take out Russian armored vehicles, with Russian crew often leaving hatches and doors open after abandoning the vehicle, with Ukraine often sending a drone dropping grenade or a FPV drone to finish it off. With FPV drones often having a shape-charged warhead, they still often aim in for the opening as the warhead can detonate inside the vehicle, increasing the chance of completely destroying the vehicle. However, it isn't as necessary as the warhead can easily penetrate into the vehicle, often creating an internal fire as seen here, which can result in the ammunition exploding, turning the vehicle into scrap metal, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.